Hello. Today is Thursday, day 4, December 10th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. So we have two activities for today. First activity is in your book, page 72 and 73. These directions are on page 72 and the activities on page 73, A, B, and C. Take a picture and upload it to Schoology. Second activity is conflict resolution at work. So you're going to watch these two videos, and in the comment section, you will explain how they could have behaved differently in a more polite way for each video using these examples. Would you mind? Could you please? I apologize because, and some other polite grammar. Okay, polite requests. So you'll put that here in the comment section. Then when you're done, there are two examples of them, good examples, so you can look at these two videos after you complete the first one. And that's it for async. It is Thursday, so we have class together on Zoom, and we are going to work on our essays, and we're going to practice workplace conflict with polite language. Okay, and that's it for today. Good luck.